where the red turns to gray and then the gray turns to night. Our world is on fire. Will we get home tonight? Will we get home tonight? Where the red turns to gray and then the gray turns to night. Our world is on fire. Will we get home tonight? Will we get home tonight? Cruising into the Twilight Zone. Leaving Thunder Bay with the gray in the sky. James Michael is quiet, he's watching the line. Highway 11, the smoke's getting low. Cruising through the Twilight Zone, where the sun is a color we've never been shown. Heading into the apocalypse, with the taste of the embers on our drying lips. Highway 11 to a dying sun. The world we knew is finally gone. Coming up on Beardmore, the filter is thick. The air in the cabin is making us sick. It's turning to orange, it's turning to red. A fire-burnt halo above the car's head. Recording the shift as the daylight begins its final great drift. Into a hollow where the shadows all creep. Into a darkness that's heavy and deep. Cruising through the Twilight Zone, where the sun is a color we've never been shown. Heading into the apocalypse, with the taste of the embers on our drying lips. Highway 11 to a dying sun. The world we knew is finally gone. And then it went dark, just like that. Nighttime at noon, the dashboard is all we have. No stars, no moon. James Michael whispers, look at the time. Driving through shadows on a road out of rhyme. Highway 11. Driving into the dark.
Well, the highway's got to be open. Traffic's coming. Fucking weird, eh? Never ever seen it like this. Never ever.
I don't see any sun anywhere.
Huh?
I don't see the